Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Sriram.
Yeah.
I am a manager in a public sector bank called Oriental Bank of Commerce. Before introducing myself, I would like to say more about this hospital, which made my position worst to best. In August 15, when I was on my way to Dindivanam to visit Anjaneya temple, I got an accident. It's a freak accident where without any fault of ours, lorry driver took a right turn, resulting in my left and wrist, what I can say, fracture and right shoulder dislocation, and my back, that is my spine D3, D4 got fractured.
So multiple fractures.
Multiple fracture, and see, because of the temple worship I had, God has given me a rebirth to to live in this beautiful world. This is my introduction. About this hospital, when I ventured, one more co-passenger, Mr. Muttaya, was there with me. He also got multiple fracture. His brother is in America, known to these doctors very well, probably Raja and other doctors, Arun Kumar and other doctors. See, when I got admitted in this hospital, it was very, the surrounding was beautiful, very clean. The nurse, duty doctors, and the X-ray man and the surgeons are very, very, very good. The hospitality, what I can say, whenever a patient comes, the way they motivate you, cures you first.
Yes.
This hospital has taken credit of all the factors: motivation aspect, best treatment, and painless treatment. And all the nurses are very cordial, very smiley way they receive you. Every day they wish you and they ask you about your health. How was your pain? When compare your health yesterday, how are you feeling today, like that? And yesterday I was here for removal of this shoulder screw. Dr. Raja was the surgeon. Today morning when I went to the operation theatre, it's like just like people taking a bath. 20 minutes time he removed the screw and he said, Sriram, everything got over. I was shocked. What, sir? No pain, nothing. No, Sriram. Everything got, got cured. This has enabled me to remove the screw very easy. What else I can say, sir? These are all the excellent, features this hospital have. Again, surrounding. From August to this day, that is 21st of December, same doctor and all other nurses and other staff are excellent. And I request them to continue this good work. I don't want myself to be benefited. I want everybody to be benefited. Since I am in the banking industry, I know a little bit about customer service and other things, which this hospital has overtaken. God bless everybody, sir. Thanks for giving me an opportunity. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Continue பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ நீங்க ஆகஸ்ட்ல வந்தீங்க, ஒரு 15 days இருந்தீங்க.
Okay, sir.
And now you have come yesterday. And do you find any improvement or changes for the better, something like that?
No,
you can compare.
Improvement in the sense, it was not ugly, clean and very clean. It was very clean. Today also very clean.
Okay. Seri.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And attitude.
Yeah.
Had there been a chance of people changing themselves, I can say, other day they behaved like this, today they are very good. No, same hospitality I received. First of all, they asked me, how are you, sir? First word, how is your health, sir? How are you, sir? It makes me, 50% cure. Yeah. Remaining 50%, Arun Kumar doctor and Raja doctor, he cures you, remaining 50%.
Now, doctor's treatment, our hospitality, our serving, all these things are there. But even then, the main thing is your willpower to get well soon. So that matters most.
Sir, willpower starts from the doctor's assurance.
Yes, assurance.
If I am having 100% willpower and doctors say, no, this case I cannot take it, my willpower will go.
Correct.
I have to bury the willpower.
Very correct.
Willpower gets more powerful. What
When
I
the
can
doctor
say,
is also-
based on the doctor's assurance
Correct.
and the atmosphere you have.
Definitely.
Because this environment is different. Living atmosphere different, this atmosphere is different. So a person who is having 100% willpower, I challenge you, will not have the same 100% will have.
Correct.
You are building that willpower here by giving
Okay.
the excellent motivation and service.
Okay. Very good. So we will try to improve still more because anyway, as you told, there may not be any this thing, shortcut or something, but even then you have to keep up that momentum now.
Or gets going.
Yeah. That's all.
That is important.
Okay. We'll try to. Cool.
Thank you, sir. Your good name, sir?
Prem, sir.
Prem.
Prem.
Acha, acha.
These are my accounts actually.